Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this course we'll learn about the floriculture and landscape horticulture, and the contents are here. In this course we'll include horticulture, ornamental horticulture, floriculture, landscape horticulture, pruning, production technology of rose, gladiolus, lily, tuberose, chrysanthemum, dahlia, gerbera, jasmine, marigold, orchid, cactus, succulent, dry flower. Then we also learn about hedge maintenance and hedge development, lawn and turf development and their maintenance, post-harvest handling and cut flower, principles of landscape design, special structures of ornamental plant, design planning management of arc, topiary, pergola, and bonsai. All these contents will included in this course. So let's get started. Firstly, I would like to tell about horticulture. We already learned this definition. So what is horticulture? Horticulture is the branch of agriculture that deals with the art, science, technology and business of growing plants. It includes cultivation of medicinal plants, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, herbs, sprouts, mushrooms, algae, flowers, seaweeds and non-food crops such as grass, ornamental trees and plants. Horticulture is divided into the cultivation of plants for food such as pomology, olericulture, and plants for ornament such as floriculture and landscape horticulture. Pomology deals with food and nut crops. Olericulture deals with herbaceous plants for the kitchen, including, for example, carrots, edible root, asparagus, edible stem, lettuce, edible leaf, cauliflower, edible flower, tomatoes, edible fruit, and peas, edible seed. So this is the basic definition of horticulture. Now I am going to tell about the ornamental horticulture. So what is ornamental horticulture? The branch of horticulture which deals with production and management of ornamental plants is known as ornamental horticulture. That means ornamental horticulture is deals with the production of and management of ornamental plants. And ornamental horticulture is divided into two branches, floriculture and landscape horticulture. So that's all for today. We'll learn more about floriculture and landscape horticulture in the next video. Thanks for watching.